When you say the iPhone 8 or Galaxy S10, what immediately comes to mind? Apple and Samsung, of course. Major corporations that have built consistent brands. A brand can be anything, not just limited to companies such as Google or Apple. As much as goods and services can be branded, do you know that you can be branded as well? Personal branding is the practice of people marketing themselves and careers as brands. In simple terms, it is what comes to mind when your name is mentioned, the unique combination of skills and experiences that make you, you. Here are a few things to consider when branding yourself. Too many people spend their time trying to be everything and everyone. Have a purpose statement, clearly define your goal and pursue it. Keeping your message focused will help create content around your personal brand and have others adhere to it. Create a story around your brand that people can relate with. This is done through the content you write. It could be your social media posts or simply through what you sell. Be consistent. I love this one. It is easy to be trusted and believed in when you are consistent with your brand. Something unique that people can associate with and know it is you. Inconsistency doesn't inspire trust. I have a question. Would you trust someone who's inconsistent? As for me, I won't. Learn from failure and don't give up. The fact that you fail at first doesn't define you. Be ready to stand up and keep pressing forward. Create positive impact. No matter what it is you are working on, always consider the impact you leave on others. Remember, people know you from your reputation, and your brand is simply you. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed every bit of this video. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.